A string is a sequence of characters that is treated, treated, created as a single data item and terminated by null character slash o. Remember that C language does not support string as a data type. A string is actually one dynamic, dynamical, dynamical array of characters is C language. These are often used to create meaningful and readable readable programs. For example, the string the string inverted commas hello world close inverted commas contains 12 characters including zeros character o character which is automatically added by the compiler at the end of the string, declaring and declaring and initializing a string variables. There are different ways. There are different ways to initialize a character arrays available. Character character name function 50 equal to hello world slash valid character array initializing initialization. Character name function 10 equal to function L E S S O N S slash O slash valid initialization. Remember that when you initialize a character array by listen by listening listings all its character separately, then you must supply the slash o character ex- explicitly. Some example of illegal initialization of character arrays are character ch function 3 equal to hell slash 3 egal because array length insufficient character string string function for string equal to hell slash 3 egal. String assignment is not allowed in C. Character greeting function equal to hello. Following is the memory percentage presentations of the above defined string C. Index O11 1 2 3 4 5 variable H E I O slash O address 0 into 0 in 2 3 4 5 1 0 into 2 3 4 5 2 0 into 2 3 4 5 3 0 into 0 into 2 3 4 5 4, 0 into 2 3 4 5 5, 0 into 2 3 4 5 6. Actually, you do not place the null character at the end of string context. The C compiler automatically places the slash o at the end of the string when it intelligence intelligence intelligences the arrays. Let user try to print the above mentioned string as include include less than a studio dot h greater than into main function open function close function character string function is equal to flower bracket HCEIIO slash o flower bracket close print greeting message percentage greeting return host is flower bracket and discuss about suppressive string input in detail. The scanf function can be used to read a file without assign, assigning into any variable. This is done by processing that file is format code with a star. For example, given scanf bracket percent %d star c percent %d and hr and min, the time can be read as 905 9.05 has a pair. Here the colon would be read but not assigned to anything. Therefore assignment suppression is particularly useful when part of what is input needs to be suppressed using a scanist. The ANSI standard added the new scanist features to the C language. The scanist is used to define a set of characters which may be read and assigned to the corresponding string. A scanist is defined by placing the characters inside a square bracket prefixed with a percent as shown in the example. Percent function AEIOU. When we use the above scanner function will contain to read characters and put them into the string until it econom accounts utility encounters the character that is not specified in the scanner. For the example, consider the following code has include less than true stdio dot h greater than void main function bracket float bracket character function 10 gender printed function into function slash n enter string scanf function percent AOU string print function. The string is the percentage str bracket. The code will stop record accepting a character from some as soon as a user enter character that is not wanted. However, if the first character in the set of city is then scanner function will accept any character that is not defined by the scanner string. For example, if you write scanner percent AIOS stop string, then set in content characters other than those specified in the scanner string. Therefore, it will accept any non-open character. However, the the closing bracket can be included in the scanner string anywhere they have a predefined meaning only when there are the first character of the scanner string. So if you want to accept the user that content correct on make sure that they are on the first characters in the scanner string. This is shown in the following example: scanner percent flower bracket open bracket 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 function plus percent string. In the given example, string can be accepted any character included in the opening and the closing square brackets square bracket. The user can also specify a range of acceptable character using hyphen. This is shown in the statement given below. Scanner for flow bracket percent function a and g string. A string will accept any character from small a to small z. Always remember that scan sets are case sensitive. However, if you want to accept a hyphen, then it must either be the first or the last character in